Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. If you're following my previous videos and analysis on SLP token, then you may know that we are following this huge falling wedge pattern for the past several months. And I've been telling you that in order to start a long-term move to the upside, SLP needs to break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And right now we can see on the weekly time frame chart, finally SLP has broken out the resistance in the month of January 2023. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the previous trading signals report in the video's description. You can just open that report. And for example, if you would like to verify any trade, like this, the trade setup for Alpine token, you just need to click on the link. It will take you to the trading views chart. And if you have at least a free account there, then you can just click this play button available on the chart. And after clicking this button, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to this weekly time frame chart. And this is the falling wedge pattern that we are following for the past several months. And finally, the price line has broken out the resistance of this wedge. And if I place this measurement tool from this low of December 2022 up till this high of Feb 2023, then you can see it rallied more than 100% and broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern and also broke out the resistance of $0.00275. And right now you can see it is testing this support and getting accumulated even above this support of $0.00275. Previously, it was working as a resistance here, and now it is flipped into a nice support. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here you can see this is a support of $0.00275. And our next resistance is, by the way, the short-term resistance. The long-term resistance is here at $0.05710. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then recently you can see that SLP has found another resistance that was previously working as a support here, resistance here. And now, again, for the past several days, it is working as a resistance. And once SLP will be able to break out this short-term resistance of $0.0036, then I'm expecting that it can imminently move up to this next long-term resistance of $0.00571. However, if we take a look at the final target for this big breakout from this falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at 40 cents. That is a quite long-term target, by the way, from here. And in order to reach this target, the price line needs to break out so many resistance levels on this long-term chart. And once the price line will be able to break out all these resistance levels, then I'm expecting that sooner or later the price line can hit this target of 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.